So, ito na. Manonood na kami ng Freakier Friday. Last year ko pa ito inaabangan. Sobrang excited ako. So, dito na kami sa Glorieta 4.
Hi! Vlog, guys.
Hello, guys. Shane.
Smurf!
Smurf. Yeah.
Well, here. We'll buy tickets.
Yeah. We're so excited, guys.
What?
We're gonna watch Freaky Friday.
Freaky Friday. Girl! What did you do? Let's go lift up. Run. No. It could be worse. It could be worse. It could not be worse. It's okay. Just jumping out of new. Cameras A marker. Hi everybody.
Yun na nga, sobrang natutuwa ako natapos na yung movie, pero parang kinikilig ako, sobrang saya kasi sobrang idol ko yan si Lindsay Lohan, memorize ko yung Freaky Friday, grabe. So ito, bago ko memorizein to, and thank you for watching, guys. Wala lang, share ko lang na sobrang fanay ako nitong Freaky Friday, si Jamie Lee Curtis, at saka si Lindsay Lohan. Thank you!
On and on.